Hey guys, Turtles the Diabetic here. So today, yeah, I know it's late as heck. So today I'm gonna be playing Build a Boat for Treasure. So I haven't played this on my YouTube channel. Trust me, I'm really good. I am very good. I have Epic Gamer car. This isn't just a regular car. Just watch. And then I have to delete the wheels because they get anchored. Like, watch this. I click this magnet and then I can fly. So now I can fly to the end and easily get money. I mean, like, like a bunch of people have already done this, so I don't know. I don't even know why I'm talking about this. So I actually have oh, ah, I've made a trailer, like the one that goes in the back of a car. I have a couple of, I have two cars actually. I'm working on a third one. But that'll probably be like some type of other video. Yay. Okay, push. Go in. Oh, yay, I got 400. That calls for a monkey. Where is it? So I have this. I made a Cybertruck and I put a trailer on the back. Trailer looks really good. Don't know what I'm gonna do with it though. Then we get the Cybertruck. Very complex and weird because I had to put the servos in. That took me a while because it was like really hard to do. Anyways, how about garage? Okay, this is the car. No, this is a glitch I was thinking of trying to do, but it doesn't work. Pretty tough. So I have a very epic boat. It's very epic. Did I also say it's very epic? Because it is. Okay. So we have this little thing. It moves around from the hinge, and then we have a little picture, I guess. I don't know what I'm gonna do on here. Hold up, 1 second. Let me go on. Oh yeah, this is from earlier. I need to go to Discord. 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 Yeah. Okay, let's call up my boy. I'm making a video. Oh yeah, okay. Yeah. So we're gonna wait. Oh hi.
Hello?
Hi. I'm making a video.
Uh,
I
Making
have
a video?
Yes, I have a very thick boat. You wanna go fishing?
Okay. I just made a video today.
Yeah, same with me. I made an arsenal video. Some person, by the way, shout out to you. This person named Tom. They have like 203,000 subscribers. I don't know how they got all of them, but I'm happy that they got them. Um, and they have like 3 videos, and they're on like how to get subscribers, how to get views, and something else. How to get something else. Yeah, and they said nice video. With 203,000 subscribers. Okay, wanna join me?
Okay.
Join my team. Click change teams. Change
Uh,
teams. I'm having a stroke. Okay, you hopped on top. It. The funny part is, it doesn't even work on a motor. It actually works on a rocket. That's how heavy it is. It's that heavy. It's so heavy. It literally has to run on a rocket. Okay, get in. Get in the seat. E. Okay, you ready? We're going.
Yeah, I'm taking
Doot,
up
doot,
50% of the seat.
doot.
Flying!
Okay, let's go fishing. Let's go fishing. Let's go
Wait,
fishing,
wait.
mate. No, let's go fishing.
Hey, fishing. I want to catch so much fish.
You can
Buddy,
click
just
the button. You see, whenever you click
I
the
think
button, it
I think
pushes you
that
back. I made this for no reason. I don't know why. You ready? You're gonna get flung. Watch this.
oh,
Yeet! Oh, my god.
okay, no.
Oh my
Oh,
god. That was close. That was really close. Okay, you ready? You don't mind if
the
we just
magic bus.
hop on the magic boat? What would this be? The wet boat. What boat would it be? The wet boat.
Magic,
I've actually
the
gotten to
magic
the end.
fishing boat.
The magic, yes.
Because in the tumble run
Poopity
like a
scoop.
fish.
Yeah, I know. Flop flop? Yeah. And guess what? We're catching fish.
Fish.
I have an article. My homework. We had an article about crocodiles. Crikey. Crikey.
Crocodile.
Okay, let's go fishing.
Near
Oh, no,
Moscow.
no, 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 no. Sit down, sit down, sit down, sit down. Quick, 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 quick. Okay. Because it was turning. It was turning, and if it turns, if it hits the edge, we're probably gonna get like flung. Oh, hi, volcano. Yeah, we would have got flung from this.
Okay,
Die.
no.
Oh, ah. No,
The fishing rods.
we have
You
one
only have
left.
one fishing rod.
All we have is a. Oh, I just got murdered.
You only have one
I
more
I just got
You
murdered.
died?
Yeah, I just
You
got
died?
dead. Yeah, I died in like one hit. Yeah, I think it's on the land speeder. Okay, yeah.
This is
I'm
stinky. I'm
making a
still
new
here.
I'm making a new car. I'm thinking of what I should do because I mean, it doesn't look like a car that's currently around. You know what I mean? Doesn't feel like
I'm
a.
still on the boat.
You're lucky. I hope you make it to the end because I've made it to the end a lot with that car. I mean, boat.
I have 9 gold.
I actually just said car.
Or
I'm way too used to vehicle simulator. Oh, also, I'm gonna make a vehicle simulator,
or
update gameplay tomorrow. I'm just pumping out some uploads. I'm really trying to get this YouTube stuff back up. Oh, also, I have another YouTube channel that I'm starting with me and my friend. I'm not gonna say his name because I think he wants to keep it secret.
I linked your channel in my latest video.
Think
You
how
had your
many?
channel linked. I have like 6 subscribers.
I only have 11. I used to have like 18, but like I think people it went inactive for some people and it just automatically unsubscribed them. I don't even know. I just said I was gonna do this in the next video. I don't know what I'm doing. Oh yeah, so I have this. I actually made a robot and it's pretty cool. I haven't finished the head. It's the last thing I need to do. And the head's gonna be like the hardest because I have the ears and stuff. So anyways, if I... Hello? You still here, bro?
I'm still here.
Oh, okay. I didn't hear you.
Ew, I just found a picture of me with an old photo with short hair. That was disgusting. That was the most disgustingest thing I've ever seen.
Disgusting sting it is.
Am I dead yet? I'm not dead yet.
Disgustingest. Really? I'm surprised. I'm not surprised, actually. I'm actually kind of happy. Because that means my boat is actually durable. Yay. How do I get in there now?
Kinda.
That's kind of epic, but did I ask? Uh, I'm actually pretty good at this game. Pretty good. I'm not good. Like really good. I'm pretty
All my
good.
hats just disappeared. Oh god. There's like no floor.
I need to find this piston now.
Pretty much doomed now.
Oh, hi. There's the piston. Okay, so I have this little thing. There's a button up here. Click it. It opens up this little thing. Oh, I didn't... What? Wait,
Am I
what
dead?
happened?
I'm not dead.
Oh, I see. I see.
Oh, I made it.
Nice.
This has been a very long time since I made it to
I've
the
made.
end.
I literally just made it at the start of the video.
No. I fell out the boat, but I jumped out. I'm so low on HP.
Okay, so this is
I just
supposed
have to get the
to
treasure.
make the contraption go, but like it's stuck.
I did it.
It's stuck on itself.
Got the treasure.
There's a problem here.
It's only 100. Is that a robot? You go up its butthole.
Yes, I
You go
heard.
up its butt to go up.
Fingy finger. Yeah, I give up. I think it's broken for some reason.
I'm like fucking
Oh, oh, oh,
crazy.
oh, I want to show you this. So I have this robot, and I think there's something with the momentum. There's like a glitch with it. So watch. So I get in. You guys can copy this from me too. I don't care. You can, if you make it if you put it in your video, just give me credit, please. Please, give me credit.
Hey, on this
Also,
video.
it won't work on that robot. I already tried it. So I do this. Please tell me, okay, I have it on record. So, and then when I delete the seat, I'd be falling. So I do this. Now I can spin the head around uncontrollably. So now when I move it around, oh. What happened?
What? So basically like a race car.
Imagine I just hit you at like maximum speed. I can go in first person with this. It's just really hard to do. Oh my god. No. I fell off the edge. But I have risen again.
Yeah.
Hi, what's up? I have risen again. What's poppin'? I'm gonna actually load this in for you. So you can do it yourself. Uh-oh. No. Car. E-A. E. god, I'm going way too fast. I have way too much momentum. Okay, okay, come here. You see me? Eat the candy. Eat the
Eat the
candy and jump.
candy?
And jump up there.
No.
Eat the and jump up there.
Okay.
Jump
Oh,
in there.
cheese. Okay. Eat the candy.
You go
Right.
inside. Mm. Uh,
Okay.
so let me try to do
I'm in.
this for you. This is probably gonna be really hard for me. You know what? I'm actually gonna disable myself to do this. Ow, 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 ow. Help me. I'm stuck. I'm stuck. Ah. Mm. So I just disabled myself for this. This is gonna be really complicated. How did I do it first try? Oh my gosh. Very epic. Epic. Oh, did you see my new video?
No, I actually haven't.
You should check it out. I got a 9 win streak in Arsenal, but then I lost to someone on my team. Oh wait. Are you secure? Dang it.
Oh,
Wait. Oh, I forgot.
oh, cheese.
I forgot that you have to own the cake block. So, I think there's some codes on their Discord channel. On their Discord, excuse me, oh my god. On their Discord server, you can get cake, and it's this. You can stick cake. Look at, watch this. Watch this. Watch what magic you can do with cake. Now it's stuck to my body.
What?
Yeah, I know.
Cake?
Yeah.
Wait, what server is it?
What? The Chill
What
Studio.
server is
Chill
it?
Studio. I think it's at the
No
front of the. Excuse me. Do not bother me when I'm making a video. Your phone. My phone just went off. What's
I
my
don't think
mic?
I'm in the thing.
Oh.
I don't think I'm in it.
Oh yeah. So this is my car. This is my
Or
car. You want to go
have to go
driving in it? Bing, bing. I actually went to the end. No, my friend went to the end with this. I died. We went to the end. You can turn this thing into a war machine. A Slavic war machine. It's pretty epic.
I'm going to go look
I'm going
at
to
your
Kermit's
channel.
inside.
I'm going to
Kermit's
look at your
inside.
channel now.
It's just
44
19
minutes.
minutes. It's 19 minutes of me just playing Arsenal. Ooh, 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 ooh. We're going fast, boys. Going fast. Going fast. Going fast. Going fast, boys. Going fast, boys.
Oh, go to Arsenal and type in Bloxies. It'll give you 3,600 bucks money.
Oh, wow.
Gamer. The moment I said that, you just said very gamer. Put this up a little bit.
Uh-oh, we lost our front wheels. Oh my god. We're just going through these tornadoes. Don't mind us. Don't mind me. Just.
You know, I took off the textures. I took off the textures.
What textures?
Textures off of Arsenal. And like whole Roblox. And like fast game views.
Oh,
fast
did you
game
get that
stuff.
idea from Chase Rooney?
But
Textures?
I mean,
New textures?
I got it from Tanker.
Oh. Chase Rooney also did.
It looked kind of cool.
Shout out to him.
It looks kind of cool.
He
So I
does
can.
quality content. He has very quality content.
Your business
remember.
idea needs a
I
website.
don't care.
I remember
I know what you're-
I was in a server and I was fighting a bunch of people. Well, obviously. And I was in Arsenal, and I literally won the match. 0 career kills, and my level was 0. And I got like 8 badges through that, the whole thing. Oh my god, those things are falling directly on top of us. Ow. Stop bullying.
Just go ahead and watch everything.
Um, you don't have a seat anymore. Have you noticed that yet?
I don't.
Yeah, you don't.
Oh no, I didn't. I'm just floating.
Yeah, because you have the mage animation. Obviously, you'd be floating. Like, no, duh.
I'm floating.
Don't swear, please.
And I'm all like, fuck. I'm just kidding.
Family-friendly content, you fu- Damn it. Ow. Ow. Frick. I touched something and it hurt.
This kind of gamer.
This is kind of gamer.
Wanna jump off.
I kept yelling, gamer,
Wanna
gamer,
jump
gamer.
off.
No, no, no.
Help me.
I can't. How am I supposed to help you? I'm just gonna sit here now.
Turn the car.
How? With where, what? With what?
Wheels.
Did you forget we
You know how
lost
to
all of
wheel
our
the-
wheels like 8 stages ago?
Oh.
Like, bruh moment. At least these are all going. Ow. Stop bullying me. Stop bullying. Stop bullying. Okay, yeah, it's good. Just gonna go under. Uh-oh, not the big boy rocks. No more little boy rocks. It's the big boy rocks. The big boy.
It's a
Big.
rocket. Somebody built a rocket.
I remember my friend actually built a rocket. That's a part of the YouTube channel I'm talking about. Ah! The gamer. Gamer. Oh my god, I am so gamer. I am so gamer. I'm making it to the end with like 2 different blocks. No. Gamer. No. I got 152 gold though.
All my friends on Xbox are playing Roblox. No, one of them are playing Roblox.
I'm a gamer. What do I have on this slot? Oh, you're inside of my car. you're in the back seat of my car. Get out my car. Get out my car.
Oh god, I just got rid of everything.
This is a
I got
gamer
rid of
car.
everything I know. Okay.
Okay, hop in the Dodge.
Okay. So you can dodge some brick thing.
Do you see the back? Do you see the license plate?
Is this a license plate?
No, the back.
It
It says blah, blah.
It's PP.
PP. Mine is hard. Gamer. Ow. Gamer. Oh. Gamer. Ooh. Ooh.
Gamer moment.
Gamer. Very
Microphone
gay.
doesn't work.
You're a gamer. What?
The microphone doesn't work on the computer that I'm using.
Ah. I have headphones with the microphone. No, I hate this. I unlike this level. I liken this level. No, we only have 2 wheels. I mean, we can live off of that,
because
can't we?
whenever I like put in like headphones with the mic on,
Gamer, gamer.
it doesn't.
You're putting them on wrong though, I think. It took me a while. I
I'm
actually
gonna.
had some really expensive headphones and they weren't working at all for me. I don't know why. I almost found a resolution, but it still stopped working. So now I have these $15 cheap, very budget. Uh-oh, we only have one wheel. What are
I
we
fixed
ever
it.
What are we ever gonna
Ooh,
do? We only have one wheel. Retro Raggy.
I did it. Fixed it.
Oh. Well,
Now I can record
there goes all
videos
our
without
wheels.
the lag.
Do you like my steering wheel?
It,
It's very gamer, isn't it?
it's really gamer. I hate using
Look
the
through the
record
glass.
system on Roblox. I don't like using the record system on Roblox because it makes my game laggy whenever I
Yeah,
try
I
to
know.
record an Arsenal
It does that
video.
to everyone. Uh-oh, I don't have a
Yeah.
seat.
And
I have a
you can't
seat.
record your voice.
Yeah,
Oh,
sure. Oh
jeez.
my
Oh no,
god. Oh my god. Neither of us have seats.
I've only found.
It's dipping right on top of us. Okay, there's no more that can dip on top of us. Never mind. Okay, there's no more now.
Oh god, B.
You wanna go in the back? Okay, yeah, never mind. Let's not go in the back. No! 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 Oh, why did you did you really, you actually just did that. Gamerins.
A non-gamer moment. I'm gonna buy some more crates. Oh, 32. That's a lot.
Tomorrow, I'm
Noob
probably gonna just make like
game.
some type of Arsenal video for no reason.
No,
Again.
Arsenal. Oh, I got 2 seats.
Uh-oh.
I got 2 gamers.
Stinky.
I
Bruh.
got 2 gamers.
Okay. I can't go anywhere because I can't jump. Because if I jump, I'm dead. Like, I am dead. Oh, remember the
You know that
house?
we're so poor. Yeah. You know that we're so poor
On
that we can't
Bloxburg.
even afford. I mean, we're not that poor. Like, we don't have a mouse pad.
I mean, I have a pretty expensive mouse pad, but it's not like linen or something. It's not like fabric.
It's a paper. It's legit a soft piece of paper.
Well, mine actually can glow from the bottom. I'm very gamer. Not gamer. Gamer. Not gamer. Because that would
Well,
be
do you have
gay.
G Fuel?
Huh?
You have G
I
Fuel?
have water.
You have G Fuel.
I have water.
Well, then you're not that gamer then. You gotta drink G Fuel.
No,
Use code
water. Ow, ow. My
But
head just got
10% off.
My head just got smacked on a ginormous rock and I died in one hit. Oh, hey, you want to see something? You want to see some magic?
Make a boat.
I'm making a something. I'm not gonna tell you yet. You want to see this? Look at
A submarine?
Look at you're a wizard, Harry. Bruh. Look at this bruh moment. Ooh. Doing the drive-by. Drive-by.
The magic school run.
Yeah, I know. I tried that. I tried that before. I actually did that before, but it broke. Because every single time you disable the whatever's activating this, it always just flings you back. So it's like it's really hard to stop. That is very not gamer. Dab? Question mark?
So many of these blocks. I don't even know what to do with them anymore.
I feel like my mom's just gonna come in my room and be like, no more computer. And be like, but mom, it's a Friday. It's almost a Saturday. What time is it? Damn, it's 12:41. We've been recording for like an hour, I think, or something.
I remember I wanted to use my mom's Bluetooth headphones because they have better quality. But then she's all like, no, it's like time to go to sleep. And I'm all like, but it's Friday. He's all like, no. And I'm all like,
No. And you're like, yes. Yes. And also, this is gonna be, I'm not even gonna upload this today. I'm just making this so I
eh.
don't have to make a video tomorrow. Whee! Okay, well, we're probably just gonna be messing around on a couple games. We're just gonna end the video here. Turtles the Diabetic out. Bye guys, peace.